Welcome learners. In today's video I will share with you some useful research websites that every researcher should know about. This website contains number 1 how to find research topics, number 2 how to write literature review, number 3 how to search research article, number 4 how to calculate sample size, number 5 Google Scholar project topics, number 6 survey software and research topics. So this video is going to be a full pack for a researcher, so please watch this video till end. Welcome to Murad Academy, the place where people come to learn. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe it and press on the bell icon to get notification of my latest videos. So in this video I am about to share some useful research related websites. So the first website is Project Topics. Yes, you heard right, Project Topics. This is a website which provides you projects plus research topics as well. As you can see, they contain different topics from different fields such as accounting, agriculture, applied sciences, banking and finance, engineering, education, entrepreneurship, English, and much more. As you can see, there are tons of topics in front of your screen from where you can select your topic easily and your search area as well. So the next website is jstore.org. This website tells you about how you can search and how you can find articles through Google Scholar. Next website we have is, its name is writing.com, and this website specialty is that it mentions 5 easy steps to write literature review. With these 5 easy steps you can write your literature review in 30 minutes or even in 20 minutes as well. So there are 5 steps given in summarized form, easy to understand form. So you can come to this website which name is peakwriting.com, and you can read these summaries and you can easily write your research paper by following these 5 steps easily. Next website we have is project.ng. This website provides you Google Scholar project topics and materials such as, you can see, Word files, PDF files, research topics, and much more. As you can see in front of your screen, there are tons of topics in front of you from where you can select your topics and your search areas. Next website we have is, its name is surveysystem.com. Surveystudy.com. The specialty of this website is that it provides you survey software, different version of the softwares, okay, then survey template, then research aids. They provide you sample size calculator, sample size formula, significance, survey design, and correlation, and much more. So this website is very important if you are a researcher because it provides you lots of free material. And today's last website which I am about to share with you, its name is studentsassignmenthelp.com. The number one thing about this website that it provides you online service of writing assignments, thesis, and your projects, and it also provides you essay writing services, thesis writing services, web services, and much more. If you go down it also provides you different research topics in different research areas from different subjects. If I scroll down a little bit, you can see that here are the fields from where you can download sample essay size and you can download sample essays and assignments, plus you can find lots of research topics as well. So here it is, the resources pages from where you can find essay topics, thesis topics, research topics, case study topics, and assignment answers, question assignments, referencing guide, research paper writing guide, thesis guide, research proposal writing guide, and you can also you can also buy their online services for writing your assignments and other assignments help, and also provide you research topics as well. So Leonard, that's it for today. I hope you learned from this video. If you really learned from this video, then do like my video. If you haven't learned anything from my video, then do dislike my video. There is no issue. If you want a video on any topic, then do comment down below. I will try my level best to make video on that topic, or I will provide you related material to that. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, yet, then please subscribe it, press on the bell icon so you can get notification of my useful videos. Please share this video with other people as well, other students as well, so they may get benefit from this useful video. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.